I'm very happy to have invested in a DXTECH label cutting machine. I'm very happy the training of Mr. Terry was very good, and he teaches us very well with a lot of patience, and he teaches us everything on how to do the lift. I'm sure that we will have a long-term relationship with DXTECH and our company. We do more business with a laser machine, and we bought 3 machines. We bought a laser machine, the carbon dioxide cutting machine, and a small marking machine. And Mr. Terry has been with us for almost about 5 or 6 days, and has given us well training to do on how to operate this machine. We are very happy. And thank you to DXTECH for introducing and sending Mr. Sheikh. Thank you.